Hei alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will talk about professions in Norwegian. When discussing professions in Norwegian, you are not only introducing someone's occupation, but also delving into an integral part of Norwegian culture and society. Whether you are learning Norwegian for business, travel, or personal reasons, understanding how to talk about professions is vital. Essential vocabulary. Before delving into the intricacies of discussing professions in Norwegian, it's important to equip yourself with a basic vocabulary. Here is an overview of common professions in Norwegian. En advokat, en advokat, en advokat, a lawyer. En arkitekt, en arkitekt, en arkitekt, an architect. En bake, en bake, en bake, a baker. En bibliotekar, en bibliotekar, en bibliotekar, a librarian. En bilmekaniker, en bilmekaniker, en bilmekaniker, a car mechanic. En brandmann, en brandmann, en brandmann, a firefighter. En bygningsarbeider, en bygningsarbeider, en bygningsarbeider, a construction worker. En doktor, en doktor, en doktor, en lege, en lege, en lege, a doctor. En elektriker, en elektriker, en elektriker, an electrician. En farmasøyt, en farmasøyt, en farmasøyt, a pharmacist. En frisør, en frisør, en frisør, a hairdresser. En fysioterapeut, en fysioterapeut, en fysioterapeut, a physiotherapist. En gartner, en gartner, en gartner, a gardener. En grafisk designer, en grafisk designer, en grafisk designer, a graphic designer. En journalist, en journalist, en journalist, a journalist. En kokk, en kokk, en kokk, a chef. En konsulent, en konsulent, en konsulent, a consultant. En kunstner, en kunstner, en kunstner, an artist. En lærer, en lærer, en lærer, a teacher. En murer, en murer, en murer, a mason. En musiker, en musiker, en musiker, a musician. En pilot, en pilot, en pilot, a pilot. En programmerer, en programmerer, en programmerer, a programmer. En psykolog, en psykolog, en psykolog, a psychologist. En revisor, en revisor, en revisor, an accountant. En rørlegger, en rørlegger, en rørlegger, a plumber. En selger, en selger, en selger, a salesperson. En snekker, en snekker, en snekker, a carpenter. En sosialarbeider, en sosialarbeider, en sosialarbeider, a social worker. En sykepleier, en sykepleier, en sykepleier, a nurse. En tannlege, en tannlege, en tannlege, a dentist. En tolk, en tolk, en tolk, an interpreter. En veterinær, en veterinær, en veterinær, a veterinarian. En økonom, en økonom, en økonom, an economist. Understanding professional titles. Norwegian society has diverse professional titles, many of which are recognized globally. Here we share how to talk about higher educational or professional titles in Norwegian. Bachelorgrad, 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 bachelor's degree. Mastergrad, 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 master's degree. Doktorgrad, 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 PhD. Professor, 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 professor. Cultural insights. Lastly, understanding the cultural backdrop of professions in Norway can add depth to your conversations. Here are a couple of points to remember. Work-life balance. Norwegians prioritize work-life balance, and it is common to leave work early to spend time with family. Demonstrating respect for this balance can be appreciated in a professional Norwegian setting. Flat hierarchies. Norwegian workplaces often operate with a flat hierarchy, promoting equal respect and open communication between employees and management. Putting it all together, to have a well rounded conversation about professions in Norwegian, you would typically combine the vocabulary, grammar rules, and culture insights we have shared. For instance, hva jobber du som? Hva jobber du som? Hva jobber du som? What do you work as? Jeg er lærer. Jeg er lærer. Jeg er lærer. I'm a teacher. Ensure to be attentive to people's titles and respect the Norwegian emphasis on work-life balance in your conversations. Understanding how to talk about professions in Norwegian is a step towards immersing yourself more deeply in the Norwegian language and culture. Armed with a sense of vocabulary, grammar roots, and culture insights, you're well on your way to easily navigating different professions in Norway. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.